5 things you should never share with anyone. Let's begin. Number 1. Don't share your problems. Never share your problems with people. Everyone in this world suffers from problems. But if you have a problem, then try to solve it yourself. By the way, there is a famous saying that sorrows are less than sharing and happiness is more than sharing. But the reality is this: 79% of the people in this world don't care about your problems, and the other 21% are happy with your problems. So please never share your problems with anyone. Number 2. Don't share your plans. Don't share your plans with anyone unless you are successful. According to psychology, if you tell someone about your plan before it is completed, people will appreciate it, and you will not be able to pay attention to it, and there is a high probability that the plan will not succeed. Number 3. Never share your idea. If you have a unique idea that you plan to work on, never share it with anyone. Because maybe your competitor will succeed by following this idea, and you will just keep watching. Number 4. Don't share your secret of success. Keep the secret of your success to yourself. Don't convince anyone that you used this trick and you succeeded. Because he may not work as hard as you, or he may not have as much ability as you. That way, if he fails, you will be accused of misrepresenting him, and the credit for his failure will go to your head. Number 5. Don't share your past mistakes and regrets. Never share your past mistakes and regrets with anyone. Because mistakes happen to everyone and man learns over time. But if no one knows about your past mistake, do not share it with anyone. This way the negative side of your personality will be revealed to others. Always be determined to learn from the mistakes of the past and never repeat them, and never share them with anyone.